YouTube just made a huge change to the algorithm, and it is already in our YouTube studio, which I believe that most of us must have come across this particular feature. So if you are constantly ignoring them before your next upload, it can actually affect how your video perform. So in this video, I'm going to be showing us what this particular update is and how you can use it to your own advantage, most especially before you upload your next video. Okay, so if this video is a video that you love to watch, please do well to stick around. And without much being said, let's get started. Now, inside your YouTube studio, that is the analytics section, YouTube just rolled out a brand new feature that literally tells you if people are becoming your loyal viewers or they are just passing by. And this particular thing matters a lot because it now tells you how your video is performing with your current audience, the new audience, and your regular viewers, so that you can be able to know how to balance your videos and how to actually bring it out the right way, which I'm still going to be sharing with us in this video. Now, for you to be able to locate this particular feature, what you just need to do is to head over straight to your YouTube studio, that is the main mobile app, then go over to the analytics aspect, click on your audience, and you'll be able to see this feature that says audience by watch behavior. Now you can see that there are three things highlighted there, which is the new viewers, casual viewers, and regular viewers. So what this casual viewers means is people who watch your content occasionally. So that is what these casual viewers mean. Why the regular viewers are people who watch you often, which is your true audience base. You see, now that is why most of the time when I tell us that sometimes subscribers don't really matter on YouTube, a lot of us don't really understand it. If you check this thing out and you discover that your new viewers is more, that simply means that you're constantly bringing out videos that YouTube keep pushing out. Because one thing is, when you upload a video on your channel, YouTube does not only show it to your subscribers. Once you upload, YouTube picks the video out and start showing it. In fact, one of the major way YouTube recommend videos here is by audience interest. That is why sometimes you might upload a video and you'll be seeing that not subscribed would be higher than subscribed. That simply means that subscription alone is not enough for you to get views here on YouTube. What you need to do, what you need to pay attention to, is being able to create content based on people's interest in your niche, being able to create searchable content. So now let's say, for example, I love watching videos about how to bake cake or stuff like that, and each time I come across those kind of videos, I'm likely to click on it. YouTube will start recommending those kind of videos to me back to back from time to time. So you have to understand that right from day one, YouTube has always prioritized viewers' interest over subscriber counts when recommending a video. So this analysis here is just to guide you on how your audience behave with your videos. So from time to time, before you upload any video, always come here, click on this particular option here, and check out your video performance from your audience. You can see it, either you check out from the last 7 days or from the last 28 days, so that you can be able to know, okay, which type of videos attract my new viewers, which kind of videos attract my old viewers. And if you look below here, you can be able to see that these videos here were popular with my new viewers, then these other ones here are popular with my casual viewers, and this last one here are popular with my regular viewers. So that means videos like these are videos that keep my regular viewers, my casual viewers, and also bring in new viewers to my channel. So what do I have to do is to study that kind of video, and from time to time try my best to always recreate something like that. Now you have to understand that for a video to actually bring in casual viewers and new viewers to your channel, it simply means that you did a lot of work with your title and thumbnail. So just take your time, study that your title and thumbnail to know how it's actually performing, then try to always recreate your video based on that. So right now, before your next upload, these are the things that you need to make sure you pay attention to. Number one most important thing is try to check out the videos that is bringing more of your casual viewers to your channel. By doing that, you can be able to turn them to your regular viewer. Okay, now the number two thing you need to also pay attention to is stop creating content in your comfort zone. Be able to create content that can attract new viewers to your channel, because you cannot just be creating videos mainly for maybe 500 subscribers that you have all the time. You need videos that YouTube can actually push out that will bring in new viewers to your channel. And if you notice that your new viewers is much more than the casual and the regular, it simply means that your thumbnail and your title is doing a great job. And what do you have to do? You have to always try to implement it from time to time. Create clickable titles. Try to always solve a particular problem, so that when a viewer is scrolling here on YouTube and suddenly comes across your video, that viewer will be interested to click and watch. Okay, so this update that YouTube just highlighted on our YouTube studio is actually very, very good, because it's really, really going to help you to be able to understand how your video is performing. So from time to time, always come over here to check out the videos that you are uploading, the kind of audience that they are bringing into your channel, and try your best to recreate videos and always bring out valuable content that is really, really going to bring in views to your channel. And yes, this update is a game changer, because it's really, really going to help us to be able to understand our videos in details, to be able to understand the kind of audience we are pulling into our channel. So you just have to try your best to start studying it and be making changes to your next upload. Okay, so that will be bringing us to the end of this particular video. There are still other YouTube updates that has been coming out from time to time, and always I will be checking them out and I will be bringing it to us. Okay, so if you've not watched this particular one, please do well to go ahead and watch it, because it's also a very good update that is going to help boosting your channel views, your channel subscribers, and also your watch hours. Okay, so if you have any question, kindly go down to the comments and drop your question, as I'll be in the comment section. And as always, I'll see you all in my next video. If you've not liked this video, please do well to like this video, drop me your comments, and lastly, do not forget to share so that I can get to a lot other creators out there. As always, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.